So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I was a bit puzzled. But as she explained it, I became really curious. Apparently, the gelatin trick works by adding a scoop of gelatin to your morning routine, which helps to kind of reboot your digestive system. It's like a gentle reset, allowing your body to wake up feeling, well, more like itself. As I started trying the gelatin trick, I noticed that my mornings felt more balanced and I wasn't as sluggish. It's not that the gelatin trick does some kind of overnight transformation, but rather, it helps your body get into a better rhythm. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while, says it's all about creating a healthy gut, which in turn affects how we feel overall. The gelatin trick is really simple, just a daily ritual that involves mixing gelatin with some warm water, and it's something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. If you're interested in learning more about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in my description below to get all the details. Dive into the conversation in the pinned comment, where I'm sharing some extra tips on getting started with the gelatin trick.